Whatever happens, we Americans, we New Yorkers, we patriots will stand united for our rights and the rights of our fellow citizens.
You must never give up, because the thing that will help us, that will get us through this, is anger, because otherwise we'll be in sadness and depression.
Well, now it's time for us to build our movement. And that starts tonight, and it's all over the country. Tonight, tomorrow, in the days to come, a movement building to protect all the gains we've made and protect the rights of our people.
I'm here as an American to stand up against the craziness that we're going through, starting tomorrow with confirmation of Donald Trump as the president.
Again, we have to give him a chance, but I think that all the people are here to rally, make a lot of noise, preemptive. I want to see what he can do, but I want him to know if he wants to make a difference, he can't do it by bullying people. He has to do it in measures of making a difference for all the people, not just some of the people.